Hey guys, Jerry Macias here with the Vida Group. Just making this quick video to talk to you guys whether you should buy a single family home or some units. Whether it's a duplex, triplex, or a fourplex. So to talk about it, here at the Vida Group we have 8 out of our 10 clients that we would have coming through the door. We actually tell them about the unit option, and they most of the time go for that. And I'm going to explain to you guys why that's beneficial to go ahead and buy a duplex, triplex, or fourplex instead of buying a single family home, which is what we specialize in. So number one is, what's the value of having a single family home? Well, in a single family home, let's say for example you qualify for that property at $300,000. What most people don't know is that if you qualify for a $300,000 home at $2,000 a month, is that you can actually probably qualify for a $400,000 duplex or $500,000 triplex, because we've done that several times with our clients. So you might be asking yourself, like, how do I only qualify for a single family home of $300,000 but qualify for a $400,000 duplex? Well, the reason why that happens is because we can actually count some of the income that the property generates as your income, therefore boosting your income, therefore you qualify for more property, if that makes any sense. So $300,000 home, it doesn't generate any income for you, so the bank doesn't look at it as an asset, so the bank doesn't look at that as income, so therefore you only qualify for $300,000. On a duplex, let's say for example a $400,000 duplex, right? You can actually qualify for that property because let's say you're charging $1,500 in rent for the 2-1 in the back. Well, they'll count about 70 to 80%, depending on the bank, of that income towards your income, so therefore you qualify for more property. So that's how we're helping clients, get more property and not having to make more money. And let me tell you guys the benefit about that. A single family home will appraise, right? Just like, the market, appraises, the property will appraise. The great thing about buying a duplex or a triplex is that, let's say on a $400,000 duplex, your payment is $2,600, right, or so, and you get the people in the back you rent the property out, or whatever, one of the units that you rent the property out, you charge them $1,500, right? So you grab that $1,500, you apply that to your mortgage, so your mortgage is about $1,600 when you were paying $2,000 for a $300,000 home. Here you're paying $1,600 for a $400,000 duplex, right? So that's always better to, you want to pay less and you get more property. So why is that beneficial to you? Well, when someone else is paying down your mortgage, you get more equity buildup. So the best example I can put it is, if you buy a house if you're making a payment of $2,000 times 5 years, that's $100,000. Let's say that $60,000 of that goes towards your principal, because obviously you're paying a lot of interest in the beginning. Let's just say the $60,000 goes towards your principal, and that's money that the renters apply towards your mortgage, meaning that that's money that you didn't have to come out of pocket with, but you still got that equity because it's your mortgage, plus whatever the market is going to give you if the market takes a spike. So you have equity buildup from the mortgage pay down, and you have equity buildup from the market spikes, if there's any. So that's the benefit of getting involved into some units instead of buying a single family home. I encourage all my clients to buy units instead of buying a single family home. And I know some people are worried, well, I don't want to live with people. Well, I don't want to, I don't want to share a home. I don't want to do this and that. I completely get it. So it's not for everybody. But if you're young and you don't have a big family, maybe you have one child, or it's just you or whatever, and you don't have many responsibilities, I highly encourage you to get into units instead of single family home, because the chances of you making more wealth faster is a lot more likely when you do that. So those are some of the things that we do here with our team. And if you want to know what you qualify for, if you want to know if you can do this yourself, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Please do not hesitate to reach out to somebody from our team. And then also, if you've ever considered selling your property, if you have units you might be thinking of selling because now you want to upgrade to some bigger units, and you need to do a 1031 exchange, and you may not know how to do that, please feel free to contact us, because we do know how to do that for you. Matter of fact, with my family, we've been able to generate a good amount of equity buildup and created a substantial income from rental properties, which is why I know this game. So if you've ever thought about buying or selling and you want to know what you qualify for, please give us a call. If you've ever thought about selling your property and you don't know how to make those moves because you don't know about the 1031s, or you don't have the resources to do it, or you don't want to get taxed, obviously consult with your tax account or accountant. But if you've ever considered making that move, getting an upside, to get more units so you can generate more passive cash flow, please get with us, give us a call, and we'll go ahead and help you out. So from then, I hope to see you guys soon, and I hope to see you guys here on one of our events that we're gonna have pretty soon at our home buyer stuff, or get with one of our agents. All right, take care.